at McDonald's and I'm fucked up right now. So is my boyfriend. He's snoring. His mouth is open. His mouth is open. Look, people are waiting outside on something, man. They're like complaining because I'm taking forever at McDonald's. Oh my god. And I'm a kitty. Meow.
You weren't really drunk, he just had a good cruise. Pass the refreshments, a cool beverage. Everything I do need a news cruise present. Speed don't swerve on me, watch out for the waves. I'm way too black to burn from sun rays, so I just meditated the home and I could build a new Rome in one day.
Baby told me to do this, so I'm doing it. It's worse than this. When my mama passed, suicide was kind of talk is that. But I was talking to God for so long, and if you look at my life, I guess I'm talking back. This is me waiting at McDonald's. What's up, babe?
No worries over here. It's Power 151, baby.
What's up? What's wrong?
Shout to everybody that's hitting that Instagram, liking them.
Babe, what's wrong?
Follow people back tonight. Hit me on that Twitter, that Instagram at DJTYBOOGIE, the number one. Let's go. And if she made this hard, she woke up a sleeping giant, man. Yo, speak in tongues every time we speak in private. Hope your barber shop open, cause we got hair triggers. Smoke so much that smoke it up there. Have to bear with us in that Jeep with the doors off. That mean that sleep. All these things think they a dish. I said them
babe,
creek, you see,
just lay your head back down.
Ideas, it's okay if you turn up, just
go to sleep.
Like years. All I know is I do it when I'm smoking. I do it. These are blood gang, pyro it. All rats gotta die. Do it on my private jet and my steward is
still waiting at McDonald's.
You don't get this, you get disfigured. She say sorry, I didn't shave.
Still waiting at Mickey D's. Like, it's kind of crazy. Supposed to be fast food, but guess what? I'm in Say Bill's kind of gay over here. Like, what the fuck? Do you even dare? Never coming back here. Never ever coming back here. It's fucking gay. Waiting mad long for a long time. Like I got time to spend. Money is time. Time is money. Like the yo, Andrew.
See how he's playing.
Damn.